Hi, welcome. In this lecture, we will get to know the Docker Compose. Docker Compose is a tool we can use to define and share multiple container applications. As some of you might still remember, when we set up our PHP container to talk to the MySQL server running in another container, we need to first start the PHP container and do the configuration. Then we start the MySQL container and do the configuration for this container. If our application needs several containers, this process is kind of cumbersome. The Docker Compose is designed to solve this kind of a problem, that we only need to give our instructions in the Docker Compose file, and then the Docker engine will bring up the containers. So the Docker Compose file mainly has the commonly used instructions in the Docker Compose files are the network, service, and volume. The service is just an abstract concept for the container image. And the network enables the containers to communicate with each other, and the volumes makes the containers share the storage on the host machine, just like this picture depicted. In the Docker Compose file, we specify the service, that is the image running for our application, and also we specify the volumes if it's necessary, and the networks for our application. So it's kind of using this Docker Compose file, we can bring up the contained running environment for our application. The big advantage is that by using the Docker Compose file and put it at the root level of our applications folder, we can easily share the same configuration with others. Our teammates can roll up the identical developing environment within one command, Docker Compose and up. So that's the brief introduction of a Docker Compose and Docker Compose file. In the future lectures, we will try to use the Docker Compose to set up the developing environment for our PHP applications.